Hey, what's up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Today, we're going to talk about these amazing accessories for the Steam Deck that was sent to us by JSaux. These are, of course, for the Steam Deck. No? Last month, I posted a video about these clear back cases for the Steam Deck. Now, just recently, as I mentioned, JSaux sent over these ones that give more color options for Steam Deck users. Now, in my previous video, I said that JSaux transparent cover allows users to see all the hardware components of their device while also providing 3 sets of rear buttons with varying heights for a unique touch. The buttons are anti-slip and come with a very premium texture, and the cover is equipped with thermal grease and an aluminum sheet to enhance heat dissipation during gaming sessions. No? This is the one. Now, the all-in-one set includes various components such as screwdriver, disassembler stick, button screws, and an anti-static finger gloves. Now, while installing it is fairly easy, it's recommended for those who have experience removing the backplate of their Steam Deck. Although the aluminum sheet gets hot during the gameplay, in my video, it helps dissipate heat and improves the device's performance. However, it's not recommended to use a case with the backplate installed. So kung gusto mong gamitin yon, please don't use anymore a case, kasi sayang naman. Now, here's a complete step-by-step process on how to install this transparent case. In this case, I will be removing my existing clear case and replace it with a crystal case. Now, let me head back to the point where this one is not yet installed on the Steam Deck. The backplate features an aluminum sheet that transfers heat from the Steam Deck to dissipate it, enhancing gaming performance by improving chipset efficiency. As demonstrated in my past video, the aluminum sheet can get quite hot during gameplay, and with a transparent backplate, the Steam Deck's temperature ranges from 74 to 81 degrees Celsius at 90% GPU utilization compared to 78 to 84 degrees Celsius with the original backplate. That's a lot of improvement. As you can see, the crystal case looks fantastic on the Steam Deck, but I heard that the purple and blue ones are best sellers. Only time will tell if JSaux will also be releasing a front case. Now, once they do that, it might be something that would require more technical know-how in disassembling the Steam Deck. Now, what do you guys think of these transparent backplates for the Steam Deck by JSaux? Are you getting one? If you want to buy these ones, be sure to check out the affiliate links below. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks as well to JSaux for sending these products for us to check out and feature on this channel. This has been GN of Gadget Pilipinas. Catch you in the next video. Bye!